Hello everyone from WIZ, a platform for the news, reviews, and the updates on the blockchain. I am Sarah, and I'll be your host. Before we start, I'd like to say that if you enjoy our content, please do not forget to give us a like. You can also subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. As usual, this video doesn't contain any financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. I review projects for you to have a general idea. You should always make your own research and your own decision before investing. We like to see the new and innovative projects in the blockchain world. Today, I'm gonna talk about a project which is new and innovative, and it is called as WIZ protocol. At first, let me talk about what WIZ is. The WIZ protocol is a new and innovative platform that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. It rewards its users with WIZ tokens and treasury rewards that are distributed to the holders of WIZ on both Ethereum and the PulseChain Network. To collect rewards on the PulseChain, users must first connect to the PulseChain Network. The rewards on the Ethereum network will be in the form of WIZ tokens. Holders of the WIZ token get to vote on what to invest the treasury in via the DAO. The added complexity that comes with DeFi can create pitfalls for investors who do not understand the mechanism and terminology, such as staking, farming, liquidity pools, and so on. Here, Hocus Pocus and WIZ come into play by taking care of staking and farming for the investor. Well, you might have a question in your mind about what Hocus Pocus is. Hocus Pocus Finance is a new project that operates on the PulseChain network. So, Hocus Pocus is the extension of WIZ, but on the PulseChain network, where the initial long-term staking takes place and will be returned to the holders. Similar to WIZ protocol, it also rewards in HOC tokens. The treasury investments, just like at WIZ, are determined by the DAO. Treasury rewards on Hocus Pocus will be distributed on the PulseChain network. Hocus Pocus is not live yet, but it will be launched once the PulseChain is up and running. So what exactly is PulseChain? It is a new and fast, energy efficient and cost-effective blockchain. It is the network while Pulse is the native coin of the PulseChain ecosystem. As I have said, holders of the WIZ will earn reflections on the Ethereum network and treasury rewards on the PulseChain network. The rewards on the PulseChain network will be in PLS and in HOC, which the receiver could use for liquidity providing purposes. WIZ is the platform's utility token, and the maximum supply of WIZ is 100 billion. WIZ, like Hocus Pocus, has only 4 decimals, which is not common when a contract is programmed with Solidity. They chose to display and calculate on the 4 decimals instead of 18 because of the large token supply. Using only 4 decimals makes the data clear on the Explorer and during a swap on Uniswap. Given the maximum amount of WIZ tokens, this just makes sense. In order to see their tokenomics in details, you can check their purple paper. They have a liquidity front end. They have a unique code that doesn't charge fees for transfers, but for interactions with the pool. This means that as soon as you buy via Uniswap or perform a handling such as providing liquidity, you always pay fees via the front end of Uniswap. You can also add liquidity via their contract, only here they bypass the fees and they directly tap into the pool. At WIZ, they will create their liquidity pool on Uniswap. The liquidity pool pair consists of 50% WIZ and 50% Ethereum. This will set a floor price which they can't go below, since people can only buy the tokens from the moment the initial liquidity is provided. It is unique because no admin keys or owner in the smart contract. What is more, Hocus Pocus and WIZ, they both use several multi-calls within their contracts. Multi-call events will take place once a buy or a sell transaction is initiated. The WIZ treasury strategy is indirectly linked to the strategy of Hocus Pocus Finance. You will of course also receive the rewards that all HOC holders receive. In addition, PLS is expected to experience enormous growth in price in the coming years. You can trade WIZ and Ethereum both ways since they use an automated market maker. In this way, no permission is needed to trade the WIZ Ethereum pair, as the automated market maker calculates how much WIZ and Ethereum are in the pool. WIZ did not have a sacrifice or pre-sale in money. You can take part in one of the time sacrifice phases in place of making a financial sacrifice. This is typically much safer. In order to join and receive Hocus Pocus tokens, there's a special event called sacrifice or just pre-sale. During this event, if you hold WIZ tokens, you will automatically receive HOC tokens on the PulseChain. The pre-sale is still ongoing, and what makes it even better is that even those who sell their WIZ tokens will receive free Hocus Pocus tokens. This is a unique opportunity to join the PulseChain community and reap the benefits of the WIZ and Hocus Pocus platform. Additionally, if you don't know how to buy WIZ, I am here to help you. Firstly, you need to download the MetaMask extension for Google Chrome. Second, you need to create an account with MetaMask. In order to make a transaction, you will need some Ethereum. Then you need to connect your wallet with the swap wizard. Then set the slippage during buy on 5% and sell on 10%. After that, choose to swap Ethereum for WIZ by clicking on swap. You have now successfully purchased WIZ. Also, please visit their Hocus Pocus School for a live demo. And remember that WIZ will launch on the Ethereum Network. After launch, you can buy WIZ via uniswap.org. For more details and info, please check their website as well as their purple paper, because you will see more about this fascinating world. In order to be updated, you can follow them on social media such as Twitter and YouTube. You can also join their Telegram account in order to get the latest news about the upcoming events. That's all for today. This is Sarah and you watch CryptoWIZ. We will see you on the next video. Until then, take care.